Assalamualaikum everyone! For today's video, papakita ko sa inyo ang break of dawn to sunrise dito sa Bahrain. Kinuna namin to from 4:30 AM to sunrise 5 AM. And while watching the sunrise, I'm gonna read some beautiful life quotes by Mufti Mink. Many of us are blessed more than we realize. A roof over our heads, good health, a job, family, and etc. There are people who would give everything to have some of these blessings. So be grateful because things could always be worse. Thank the Almighty. I'm one of the guilty ones. We have to realize every time we wake up in the morning, it's already a blessing. Not everyone will like you. Not everyone will support you. Not everyone will give you the honor you deserve. Don't let it bother you. That's life basically. You need to realize that the Almighty is full control. You don't need anyone to fulfill your destiny. Only He matters. Stop hating yourself. Start living life. Don't believe what you see on social media. That's been doctored, filtered, photoshopped. What you consider flaws are celebrated by others. Your body's gift from Almighty. He made you the best form, so take good care of it. Don't be jealous when you see someone's having more than you. Remember, the Almighty blesses us differently. Don't compare. Instead, show gratitude so He can bless you with even more. Never forget that He has given you so much already. Honestly, you'll never able to count them. You may not be happy now. You may be questioning why things didn't happen the way you had planned. But trust me, one day, you'll look back and be so pleased that things didn't work out the way you thought you wanted. That's because the Almighty always knows the best. Stop sharing your pain with everyone and never on social media. There are many who would be happy to see you in pain. Be mindful who you allow into your circle. Not everyone is there for your healing. Some will even pray against you. Take your pain to the Almighty, your healer. We live in a world where we want things immediately, but the Almighty teaches us a profound lesson that everything is a process and takes time. Maybe not even your lifetime. Don't get discouraged. No matter how difficult the road ahead, don't quit. The minute you're ready to quit is usually the minute right before the miracle unfolds. We've seen it happen far too many times. So stay firm. Trust the process and don't give up. Quit stressing yourself unnecessarily. If you've done your best, then leave it to the Almighty. If something's out of your hands, it deserves freedom from your mind too. Overthinking is not going to change it. Let Him work it out for you. Be prepared for the best outcome. No matter how much good you do or how much others value you, there will always be one person who doesn't like you. So be it. Such is life. Remember, you're not everyone's cup of tea, and that's okay. The sooner you accept it, the easier it becomes to move on with your life. Don't rush things in life. The Almighty loves patience. He makes everything in His timing, which always the best. If He's making you wait, there's a reason. Don't let Satan tempt you into believing that Almighty is not listening to your calls. He always listens. Forgive and move on. It's powerful. It's an act of kindness. It's the beginning of healing. Yet many refuse to do so, preferring to cling grudges, resentment, and play back time. It's not worth it. Life's too short for all the drama. Just forgive and keep the peace in you. Life is short, so don't waste your energies on things and people who don't contribute to your growth and busy with negativity. Wake daily, recharge, eager to put to good use the blessings the Almighty has sent your way. Not everyone has this opportunity. Be grateful. Sooner or later, people will let you down, no matter how good they are. This is human nature. We all make mistakes and poor decisions from time to time. Remember, you came into this world alone, and you depart from it alone. So depend no one but yourself and the one who made you. Pray for others. Pray when you feel hopeless. Pray when you feel hopeful. Pray and let the Almighty do the rest. He is omnipotent. He knows. He hears. He sees. He cares. You are never alone. He's always there for you. And those are some of the beautiful quotes of Mufti Ming. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and please like, share, and click the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, ma'as salama!